Today I probably want to introduce two of my, I think two of the guests that I've informed Mike to invite. And of course with them come with the new members of the MIS. First, let me introduce Dylan. Dylan, maybe you'd like to stand up. Dylan is from the Far East organization, is currently the Assistant Sales Director, that's marketing and one of the hotels. Orchard Parade and another one more, right? Yeah, so he's actually our latest inclusion, will be our latest inclusion after the AGM into our MIS Council member itself, 就是我们的新加坡的那个营销学院。So thanks for coming on board. And they will also be 我们的那个 local 的那个 GCMF chapter. So GCMF chapter 我们也是在 local 已经呈现了，就是有那个 coming up of 我们的 local chapter， 就像台湾嘛。台湾都是任教授的 teams， 对不对？都是。So next will be Angie. Can you help me give a round of applause to Angie? Angie also will be our incoming council members. Will be co-opted. Thanks, Angie. You can take a seat. Of our Marketing Institute of Singapore. So Marketing Institute of Singapore has been formed for the past 44 years. We are a non-profit body. 我们是个非盈利组织。所以我们大家都没拿钱的，都是以时间来贡献，就是希望对于整个行业，对于营销的行业有一些贡献，所以我们都是志愿者，所以希望就是说借此呢，谢谢大家的支持。Mike，我希望接下来你也可以支持，既然你来了新加坡，对不对？就应该加入我们的那个 MIS 的会员之一。
正在申请。
好的，所以谢谢大家，所以也谢谢我两个 colleague 今天来出席我们的兄弟 Mike 的那个开幕典礼。Mike 是我兄弟，也就是你们兄弟，好不好 ？OK， 谢谢大家 ，Thank you，Thanks so much.
Thanks, Roger. So now we the next is the open.